inside my head. Tell me, am I worth it? I remember you said, do you even see me? Go find someone else instead. Tell me, am I worth it? Am I worth it?
life for me? 30 years from now, 40 years from now? What's it look like? If it's with that guy, go. Go! I lost you once. I think I could do it again. If I thought it's what you really wanted. But don't you take the easy way out.
What easy way? There is no easy way. No matter what I do, somebody gets hurt.